Welcome to Cooking Simply Delicious. This delicious skillet bone-in ribeye steak is butter basted and will remind you of those at your favorite steakhouse. This steak is mouth-watering and looks so delicious. Let's begin. It all starts with the steak. Season with salt, next, freshly ground black pepper. Lastly, sprinkle with olive oil. Then, set aside for 5 to 15 minutes. Carefully add the steak to the hot skillet and cook until dark brown and caramelize on the bottom. Cooking a flawless bone-in ribeye steak takes time and patience to perfect. One thing is for sure though, once you learn the secrets to mastering the art of cooking perfect steaks, there will be no holding you back. One of the biggest factors for cooking the perfect steak is temperature. Let's add 2 tablespoons of butter. Next, add a bunch of thyme. I love using a lot of thyme. Next, let's add rosemary. Then 3 cloves of garlic. Once your butter has melted, tilt your skillet from side to side to make sure that skillet is well coated with the butter. If you love steak, and I mean good steak, then I can't even begin to tell you how much I love this skillet ribeye steak recipe. This steak tastes like we're sitting at the table of one of the finest steak house for a luxurious meal. Let the steak rest for at least 10 minutes. Meanwhile, let's add sliced CRIMINI mushrooms. That is cooking simply delicious. Thank you for watching. For more cooking and simply delicious recipes, don't forget to subscribe. Till next time.